Come and join me get my dad's plants with consent. My dad is a certified plantito. Always siya sinasabihan na malamig yung kamay niya. Like whatever he plants, it grows and it blooms.
把我等你去花園，甲淡薄花花。凊彩什麼花？像個唔連拍日的有無？
你幾日才才把你創嘅拍片？
Hindi, ako kay Chong.
I was thinking, ano pwede ilagay dito sa part ng kitchen na to so that it would have more life? Eh di plants. Parang gusto ko na rin kasi i-goal maging plantito this year. And as suki ng IKEA, ang dahil kong biniling pot with my gardening gloves. These are from the Dax Juice collection of IKEA. Ito yung pinili ko kasi Dax, parang gusto ko yun. Dito ka. Oh. This one, maganda din. Cute. This one naman, self-watering siya. So, lalagyan mo lang ng water here and then i-absorb ng pot yung water. You can leave it for a long time. Ubusin ko kayo lahat. Hala! Hindi ko kasi alam yung iba kung lupa o ano ng aso eh. White stones. Lakas pala makahagard na to. Wow! Pagod ako guys. But gardening actually is a great way to bond with your loved ones. I had fun. Result in 3, 2, Ang laking difference pala guys kapag may greens. I just became a certified plantito.